All right, boss, be safe. Hit me up. Sure, I go Rick tomorrow. You already know. I only have Sundays and Mondays out. Unless we don't have a brunch. You already know. We be having a brunch on Sunday sometimes. But you already know. I keep you in the loop. I keep you in the loop. You ain't say nothing but a word. You already know. Say, check out my YouTube. You already see how, you'll see how I'm doing. All right, boss. Be safe. Oh! Oh, he's trying to be nice. He's trying to be nice. Oh, you're so nice. Hey, what's up with it? What's up with it? Hey. Where you from? Where you from? Everybody say, what's up with it? What's up with it, y'all? Ooh, I just cooked it up, y'all. So now I'm just chilling. Woo, woo, woo. Be safe, everybody. Much love to everybody from the Triple D. Yeah, man, I cooked up some good old taco. These kids just not getting up, y'all. These damn bees over here just acting bad, man. I ain't even got no hive or nothing, but these damn bees are crazy. Damn, these damn bees, I done killed like damn near 5 or 6 bees. Man, well, tacos are gone, they still coming out like they want some tacos. Oh, shit, he came back. Come on. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Oh, go to somebody else's patio. Gotcha. What are you doing? Please. Damn. I ain't even got no legs. Where you motherfuckers coming from? I still be a motherfucker. Damn, you damn bees acting crazy on this patio. Yeah. I'm going down, but these bees acting crazy. Yeah. Damn, we got another one. I'm gonna kill like damn near 5, 6 bees. Damn. Damn, that's a loss. Yeah, what's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it, y'all? Next gun I wanna get. Hey, another Rock 5-7, y'all. Much love. Be safe, be safe. Where you calling from? Where you calling from, y'all? I said calling. Where y'all from, everybody? Shit. I'm from the Triple D. Do you hear me? Come on, y'all. Show love. I know somebody in this man. I'm going to watch a movie time. What's up? Just, got that green one. Who did? Yeah. Much love to all my subscribers, y'all. I don't know where we at, but I know we killing it, y'all. I'm gonna drop probably about 20 more videos. I'm finna blow this channel up like crazy. We finna get it up there, y'all.